Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear FIFA cache. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in apps and perform your search. Now tap on it. Then select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in FC Mobile and perform your search. Now tap on it. At the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find Clear Data option. Tap on it. And then tap on Clear Cache option. If you are sure, tap on the OK button. And this is how you can clear FIFA cache. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.